Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue chapter number 3, Properties of Natural Resources. So let's see here. There is a man who is trying to see atmospheric pressure. We can also say air pressure. That's great. But young man, we can't see atmospheric pressure. But do you know that pressure is pushing us every moment? Do you know how much pressure atmosphere puts on us? Oh, it's approximately 50 pound per square inch. Yes, it is about 22 kg per square inch area. You must be thinking, why don't we get crushed by this weight? Oh, let me tell you, within our body, there is some force which is pushing us against the atmosphere. Surprise? But that's true. Atmospheric pressure and pressure inside our body hit each other. That is why we are not crushed. Oh, don't you believe it? Look at this. Air molecules are very close to each other near the surface of the earth due to the weight of molecules in the upper layers of the atmosphere. This is why the air molecules near the earth is more dense. But as we go up, there is less air pushing down from above. So, molecules of air far away from each other. Proof of this that you feel pressure in your ears when you go up in the plane. Air pressure is less than the pressure inside your body. Now, air pressure is measured by barometer. Its unit is millibar. Oh, so you still want to see or feel air pressure? Okay, let's feel it by doing an experiment. Let's go inside the home. Take a glass full of water. Take a piece of paper card which can cover the top of the glass. Hold the card on top of the glass with your hand and rotate the glass full of water. Now, slowly remove your hand from the card. Surprised? The water stays in the glass. It does not fall down. How does this happen? Let me explain it to you. The card acts as a tough layer between the water and air in the room. Air pressure pushes up on the card. Air pressure does not push down on the water because there is vacuum on the top of the water. Vacuum means empty space. Although air pressure is pushing on the outside of the glass, this does not have any impact on the water inside the glass due to vacuum, as I have explained you. The only force which is pushing down the water is its weight. That is the weight of the water, but that is upward at pressure easily supports the weight of the water. Hence, the water does not fall down. Let's see what if you make a hole on the top of the glass. Now there is no vacuum above the water. The air pressure would push on the top of the water. Now in this case, the downward force would have to have two components. First, the atmospheric pressure from the top, and second, the weight of the water. Due to both of these factors, overall downward pressure becomes higher than the air pressure. So, water would fall from the glass. So, now you can feel the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is very important for all living beings. Without it, we can't even breathe.